Welcome to BlueLink Marketing. Today we're diving into the world of social media marketing, specifically tailored for small businesses. Social media has become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their audience, build brand awareness and drive sales. In this video we'll cover the benefits of social media marketing, how to create effective social media strategies, and best practices for different social media platforms, with tips tailored to specific business types. Why is social media marketing important for small businesses? Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest offer unique opportunities to reach a large and diverse audience. These platforms allow you to engage with your customers in real time, share your brand story, and promote your products or services. With billions of active users, social media can help you reach potential customers who might not find you through traditional marketing channels. Creating an effective social media strategy is crucial for your success. Start by defining your goals. What do you want to achieve with your social media marketing? Common goals include increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, generating leads, and boosting sales. Once you have clear goals, identify your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their interests and behaviors? Understanding your audience will help you create content that resonates with them. Next, choose the right social media platforms for your business. Not all platforms are suitable for every business. Let's explore the best practices and tips for different types of businesses on various platforms. Retail businesses. Retail businesses thrive on visually appealing content. Instagram and Pinterest are ideal platforms. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your products. Create Instagram stories and reels to give a behind-the-scenes look at your store or product creation process. Run Instagram shopping ads to allow users to purchase directly from the app. On Pinterest, create themed boards to organize your products and use keywords in your pin descriptions to improve searchability. User-generated content, like customer photos and reviews, can significantly boost your credibility and engagement. Service-based businesses. For service-based businesses like salons, spas, or consulting firms, Facebook and LinkedIn are excellent platforms. On Facebook, create a business page and optimize it with a clear profile picture and cover photo. Post a mix of content, including client testimonials, before and after photos, and educational posts about your services. Use Facebook Live to host Q&A sessions or virtual tours of your service offerings. On LinkedIn, share industry news, thought leadership articles, and company updates to establish your expertise. Encourage your employees to share company content to increase its reach. Use LinkedIn ads to target professionals in your industry. Restaurants and cafes. Restaurants and cafes can benefit greatly from Instagram and Facebook. Post high-quality photos of your dishes, behind-the-scenes videos of your kitchen, and customer testimonials. Use Instagram stories to showcase daily specials or events happening at your venue. Collaborate with local food influencers to reach a broader audience. On Facebook, create events for special promotions or themed nights and invite your followers. Run targeted ads to promote your menu and attract local customers. B2B companies. B2B companies should focus on LinkedIn and Twitter. LinkedIn is perfect for reaching decision makers and industry professionals. Optimize your company page with detailed information about your business. Share industry news, case studies, and white papers to demonstrate your expertise. Use LinkedIn ads to target specific job titles, industries, and company sizes. On Twitter, participate in industry-specific hashtags and Twitter chats. Share quick insights, links to your blog posts, and updates about your company. Use Twitter ads to promote your tweets and reach a broader audience. E-commerce businesses. E-commerce businesses should leverage Facebook and Instagram for their advertising capabilities. Use Facebook ads to create dynamic product ads that show personalized product recommendations to users. Set up a Facebook shop to allow users to browse and purchase products directly from your page. On Instagram, use shopping tags in your posts and stories to link directly to your products. Create visually appealing content that highlights your product's unique features. Use Instagram influencers to promote your products and reach new customers. No matter which platform you choose, here are some universal tips for effective social media marketing. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your social media marketing: brand awareness, lead generation, or sales. Know your audience. Understand your target audience's needs and preferences to create relevant content. Monitor performance. Regularly check your social media performance and use analytics to make data-driven decisions. Optimize continuously. A/B test different elements of your posts, such as headlines, images, and calls to action, to find what works best. Engage actively. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Engage with your followers by asking questions, running polls, and encouraging user-generated content. Budget wisely. Allocate your advertising budget based on your goals, and adjust it based on the performance of your campaigns. Invest more in platforms and ad formats that provide the best return on investment. Social media marketing can significantly boost your business's visibility and growth when done right. At BlueLink Marketing, we're here to help you navigate the world of digital marketing. Visit us at bluelinkmarketing.com. to learn more about our services and how we can assist you in achieving your business goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and insights. Thanks for watching.